Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Vintage Biker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your motorcycle chain and lube it. Essentially, you're supposed to clean and lube your chain every 500 kilometers or when it gets really dirty. On rainy days, it's going to get really messy. So you're going to have to clean it. So first we're going to clean our motorcycle chain using kerosene. People use petrol and diesel, but petrol and diesel damage the O-rings of your chain. So you're not supposed to use that. Kerosene is a better option. You can also use chain cleaners which are available in the market, but kerosene is a better option because it's way cheaper and you can get kerosene in bulk for cheaper rates. First, let's get started. Let's clean our motorcycle chain. So the Continental GT doesn't come with a center stand, so you can buy a paddock stand for 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, which I cannot right now because of the lockdown. So this is what I do. So I use a jack from my car to do this. So what you want to do is spray the kerosene on all sides and then take your brush and brush it up on all sides and take a soft cloth and wipe the dirt off. So guys, now that you have cleaned the chain, now it's time to lube the chain. So after you have applied kerosene and cleaned the chain, you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. And then now we're going to lube the chain. So I'm going to show you how to lube the chain. So guys, what you want to do is you want to lube the O-rings and not just randomly like spray it all around. You want to lube the O-rings on both the sides. In this way you do not waste the chain lube. So and always remember, do not over lube your chain. Do not excessively lube your chain. Once you've lubed the chain, you're supposed to rotate the chain for a while so that the chain loop sets in. And a common mistake we all do is that after lubing the chain, we directly take the motorcycle for a spin, which you're not supposed to do. You're supposed to wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the chain loop to set in, and then you're supposed to do that. So this is how you're supposed to lube your chain. And make sure that you also clean your rear sprocket. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new videos that I post. I hope you liked this video and this video was informative. So please do keep coming back to my channel for more content.